So round 1, 10 base vowels. It is like father. Father. Ya. It's like yard. Yahoo. Ya. All, like a son, boss, or ugly. All sound. Yaw, young, yaw sound. Young, yaw. O, make your lips circle. O, go. No, right? O sound. O. Yo, yogurt or yo-yo. Yo sound. Ooh, it's like moon or blue. Ooh sound. Ooh. You, I love you. You. Youth, you sound. Make your lips like this vowel. It's like v, right? V sound. E. It seems like e, right? E. C. Tree. E sound. E. Please practice with this video and go to the next round.